Hi everyone, my name is Laura Hernandez, and today we are going to do a quick lesson on one of the assessments that we have for our college and career application that we have called Xello. So in my applications, I can either choose to go in as a family member and explore what my child is doing, or go in as an educator. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the educator mode because in doing so, I can flip back and forth um, between the educator, or I can also go in as the demo student. So before I go in and complete the lesson that I want my students to do, which is select their top 3 career choices so that they can complete the personality assessment, I'm going to show you what I see from my side as the educator. So kind of like Canvas, Xello is really cool in that it is not only an app that we use now for college and career exploration and readiness. We used to use Naviance for students, but now we're moving on to Xello. And Xello kind of looks like what we've been learning about in Canvas, in that it has an instruction platform where you, as the educator, can log in. You can have the students that are assigned to you. You can add groups. Depending on the classrooms or the different kind of activities that you want set up. You can also add assignments to this dashboard. So it kind of works as an instructional platform for you as the educator, not only as something that students use for college and career exploration. As you can see, my demo student account is set up for 9th grade because I am the 9th grade counselor. So when I go in and log in to do that lesson, I'm going to see what my students see as a 9th grader. On the left-hand side of Xello, it has the different features. So here as an educator, I can click on students and see all of the students that are at RS Sterling High School. I can also look at the groups that have been created, which is really cool because some of our teachers and our counselors have created groups. And as an educator, I have access to all these groups that the teachers have created, and I can actually go in and see what kind of lessons the teacher has done in Xello, so on and so forth. The next feature that it has is family. So this is really cool because I am also the parent of a senior student. So under the families tab, it gives me access to my daughter's account. So I will just click on her name and it already shows me what she has completed. She has not completed the personality style assessment or the learning style assessment. However, she has completed her career match. And when she completed that, it shows me her results, top 10 career matches. And then it also took these top 10 career matches and it clustered it according to the endorsement that it falls under. So it's pretty cool because you as a parent can kind of see what your child is up to in Xello. It shows you what saved options they have, course planner, lesson progress, assignments, so on and so forth. And it also gives me the option here to send a message, add to a group, assign it to me. So as an educator, if I were to just look at her profile from this feature in this screen, I can send her a message and say, hey, you need to complete an assessment. Go back to that. Or I can create a group and add her to a group. When I go to the features, there are more resources that we have here. So under the features tab, here are the lessons that we have for grades 6 through 12. So since we are secondary, I can only see the lessons that have been created in the Xello app for grades 6 through 12. For my 9th graders, I can look at the personality styles assessment, exploring career, getting experience, study skills. So all of these, I can click on any one that I want. Once I do that, it is going to tell me what this assessment does. So this is an assessment that explores careers that match your personality style. It identifies the type of work environment and tasks that you will enjoy, and it tells me what is embedded in this lesson. On the left-hand side, it also tells me the recommended grade, the estimated time. So as a teacher, if I wanted to do this lesson, I know already that I'm going to use one entire class period to do this personality styles assessment because the estimated time is between 30 and 40 minutes. And what's also cool about this is that there are prerequisites, and it tells you before you complete this lesson, ensure that the student has completed Matchmaker, they have completed the personality style quiz, and also they have saved 3 careers that they like. Here on the assignments, I can assign to either a group or an individual. Dashboard resources is really cool because on the dashboard resources, us as educators, we can upload different multimedia, different files, different resources that we want our students to have access to and to know. So for example, on these resources, we have uploaded 2 YouTube videos. One of them is on dual credit. The other one is on federal student aid. We have also created a senior checklist that we want our students to have. We have put in the link to our college and career website of our school personally. And also we have sent out a newsletter. So this is kind of cool because here Xello gives us the opportunity, like I said in Canvas, that we have our own classroom platform. Not only an app that helps you with college and career, but also something where you can create lessons and really guide your students step by step through what they need to do. And over here, they have a report. So anytime you want to pull up anything about the progress, student work, assignments, and engagement, you have the option to do that and view that as well. One last thing as an educator, on the right-hand side, if I click under my profile, it does have different features. Support, if I need any kind of support in the website, if I'm having difficulty, messages that I want to send, any kind of notifications that I need to know about. Under what's new, it's really cool. This allows us the opportunity to kind of see any announcements, any kind of trainings and webinars that are here. So as you can see, this announcement was made about 2 days ago, and it tells me of an upcoming series, Roundtable Talk, that's going to start on January 27th. It also tells me of any upcoming trainings and anything new. So this is something new. A skills lab is a new assessment now available for students. So it kind of keeps you up to date with what's new on the Xello website. So once I click out of here, I can then log out. If I log back in, I can go in as an educator, but now I am going to go in as a student. So what I want my students to complete is the personality assessment. So here I am the 9th grade student. And as soon as I log in, my dashboard tells me, hey, Laura, you have to complete a core lesson. And this lesson is on personality styles. Get started. If I click on this, it tells me explore careers that match my personality style. This helps me to identify the type of work, environment, and task that I will enjoy. However, it stops me because it says to unlock this, I have to complete 3 things. So this is kind of like the prerequisite that I was talking about earlier in looking at that lesson for 9th graders. So I have already completed the Matchmaker. I have already completed the personality style quiz, but I have to save 3 careers that I like. So if I click on Explore Careers, here is where you will go in order for you to choose the top 3 careers that you like from the results that you had on your assessment. So it gives me 20 top career choices based on my assessment. So from here, I am going to choose 3 that are my top. School counselor, of course. Go figure, right? So here, once I click on this, it kind of gives you the job description, what are your assignments, the workplace, the environment, the condition, how much money you are to make. So this is really cool because it kind of tells you, it gives you a breakdown of everything that entails in that career, including salary, what kind of education and training, what kind of major do you have to major in once you go to high school. So I am going to choose school counselor as one of my top 3. Explore this career. How do I feel? I love it. So from here, I'm going to go back to explore my, I'm going to go back to about me. This is my profile page. I'm going to continue on my career matches because I want to be able to complete that assessment. So I've already chosen 1. From here, you're going to choose 2 more that you want to choose. So let's choose marriage and family therapist. You're going to click on save. Explore this career. How do I feel about this career? It's a possibility. Then from here, we're going to go back to about me. And we are going to choose our final career because they're asking us for the top 3. So I've chosen school counselor. I've chosen marriage and family therapist. And finally, I am going to choose social worker. We're going to click on the save button. How do I feel about this career? Do I love it? Do I like it a lot? Is it a possibility? I'm not sure. Definitely not for me. Because remember, this is from the assessment. So it came up as a career choice interest, but that doesn't mean that you necessarily want to do it. But let's put, I like it a lot. And now we're going to go to the about me. And here it also tells me the personality style, what my results were from that assessment, and also the learning style as well, and skills lab. So from here, explore options. I'm going to go back to my Xello, and now I can complete this. So it is important that you know that before you complete this lesson, once you choose your top 3 careers based on the results from your assessment, now you can go ahead and you can complete the personality style assessment. And the estimated time will be 30 to 40 minutes. And here again is reiterating, this is to identify the type of work environment and tasks that you'll enjoy. Once you click on get started, it tells you to click on the start my activity, and it goes through a series of questions. Once you are done, you click on the done button and you will be done with this lesson. I hope that you enjoy it and that you get to explore more about yourself as you go through the college and career exploration on Xello.